What's the most rewarding risk you've ever taken? There was this angry, quiet guy at work who everyone avoided. He'd sit alone in his car during lunch breaks, glaring at anyone who walked past. Everyone called him weird and hostile. One day I noticed a Star Wars keychain, identical to mine. Took a chance and knocked on his window. He looked ready to yell at me, but I quickly pointed to my keychain. His expression softened just slightly. Turns out his wife and dog died in a tornado last year while he was stuck in a meeting with his phone off. By the time he got the warning messages, it was too late. He blamed himself completely. Started pushing everyone away because he felt he didn't deserve friendship after failing to protect his family. Started having lunch with him regularly. Slowly, he began talking about them with smiles instead of just guilt. Introduced him to my friends after a few months. It was rough at first, but he gradually opened up. Last week at his first birthday party since losing his family, he gave a speech thanking me for not giving up on him when everyone else did.